Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the stacking kit for your JD1 heat pump dryer on one of the other front load washers from the rest of the Panasonic Care Plus range. Now you can do this with either the 9.5, the 8.5, the 10 kilogram model. In this demonstration, we're going to use the 10 kg model. Now the cool thing about the stacking kit is not only does it allow you to get optimal usage of your laundry cupboard space if you live in a smaller house, but it also gives you a small shelf that comes out and allows you to put other items of clothing on it while you use it. It's a really cool piece of kit, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Now it's important that you follow the instructions that come in the box with the stacking kit. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver and a second person to help you lift the dryer on top of the washing machine, as this is a two-person lift. So do not attempt this on your own. Step 1, you'll need to remove 2 screws on the back of your washer and install the arm brackets. So that bit there lines up, that bit there lines up like that. Cool, just like that. Nice. Once you've put the brackets on, you'll then need to place the stacking kit on top and align the back of the brackets with these 2 parts. So that goes onto there. The easiest way to tell is, again, the grooves will match up with the screw holes that are inside on the back of those brackets. Once you've got the stacking kit aligned with the screws on the brackets in both the stacking kit and the washer, you'll then need to remove them on the bottom first so that you can apply the double-sided tape to fit it and lock it in position. So let's do that next. Start by undoing the screws on the washer that keep the brackets on the piece. You want to make sure that it stays attached to the stacking kit so that you don't lose your alignment, because once you put your double-sided tape on, then it won't move and it locks it into the correct place. Okay, so once you've got that lined up, simply take your bracket off. Here's your double-sided tape, and then remove appropriately. There we go. Sweet. Yep. Cool, that's lined up. Now you've pretty much only got one shot to get the stacking kit correctly aligned back in the same place. With these brackets still attached, you can use that as a guide to line up with the screws on the back before the double-sided tape starts to stick to the top of the dryer. Once you've done that, you can then not lift the stacking kit, so it enables you to remove these brackets for step 5. But next we're going to put on the legs. So let's do the legs. Now for this next bit, it's really helpful to have a second person to angle and hold the weight of your heat pump dryer while you fit the legs on. You will also find that you've got a couple of little washers inside your bracket. So that helps with spacing by simply placing that on before you screw it in. So let's get these legs screwed on. Now we do the other side. Okay, so I'll get you to lean that down. Cool. All right, you're good with the weight?
Yep.
Yep, feels comfortable?
Yep.
Is that level? Cool. All right, thank you. Then simply take your Phillips screwdriver, remove the remaining 2 screws from the top. Cool. And now you need your second person. Hello, second person. That's usual. Now you got your second person, it's time to lift the heat pump dryer on top of your stacking kit. Make sure you lift with your knees, not your back, and simply slide directly on top. Cool. Thank you, strong second person.
Not even in the shot.
You should be in the shot. You are in the shot. Yeah, you're in the shot.
I didn't realise that. We need to do a reset.
We don't have enough
We're actually filming.
Now that we've got the heat pump dryer on top of the stacking kit, on top of the washer, it's time to put the brackets in. The first thing you need to do is remove 2 screws from the top of your heat pump dryer, the bottom 2 there, 1 and 2. Then you can reattach your brackets using the same screws and attaching it to the base of the dryer. Let's do that. Cut that bit out. Cool. Right, and there you have it. That is how you attach your dryer to the stacking kit with the brackets to your Care Plus front load washer. You will need 2 people to move it back into your laundry cavity, as no one will have a roller like what I have in our showroom. And of course you will need to plumb in your front load washer as well for your water supply as well as your wastewater. You can also plumb your heat pump dryer for continuous drain, which I will talk about in another video. But this is the stacking kit in use. You've got a drawer here, so you can put your laundry on top. So when you open up your dryer, it just goes straight out onto your little shelf here, making it easy to load and unload. There you go, that's it. That is how to install the stacking kit for the heat pump dryer from Panasonic. If you are looking for more information, do be sure to check out our YouTube channel at Panastudio NZ or check out our website at panasonic.com. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Look how quick and easy that was.
Yeah.
Do you want me to stop filming?
Probably best to if you can't.
Yeah, stop filming.